Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix microphone button on keyboard missing. As you can see right here, I don't see the microphone button. Maybe you had a software update and it went missing. So to turn this on, there's just one option. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below and leave a like on this video. And now let's go into settings. After that, you're just gonna go to general settings, scroll down until you see keyboard, click on keyboard, and you're gonna scroll down until you see enable dictation. So you're just gonna turn this on. And when you turn this on, basically you can dictate the message. So you're just gonna go back to your messages. And now, as you can see at the bottom right corner, you can see the microphone button right there, and you can record it, record with it, and so on. If this didn't work, make sure to do a new software update if there is one, or reset your settings and reset your phone. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.